Okay, class. So let's move forward now. Question number 5 to 7. True, false, and not given. Any doubts in these questions?
Yes, ma'am. I have doubt in fifth question.
Fifth question. Okay, first of all, before taking your doubt, let me discuss what is true, false, and not given in just a brief 2 3 lines. Okay, class. True means when the information in the statement in the question matches with the information in the text in the passage. Okay, when the information matches, then the answer is true, not the keywords. You don't have to match the keywords, you have to match the information. And if
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
the opposite, means if the information in the question does not match with the information in the passage, then the answer will be false. And if there is
Yes,
no
ma'am.
information given in the passage regarding the question, then the answer will be not given. Fine. So the fifth question says, in the Middle Ages, most Europeans knew where the nutmeg was grown. So question से आपने क्या समझा पहले वो बताओ मुझे आप तन्वी.
मैम क्वेश्चन तो मेरे को समझ में आ गया था कि उन्होंने बोला कि बहुत ज्यादा यूरोपियन मतलब मोस्ट से पता चल रहा था, ज्यादातर यूरोपियंस को पता था कि नटबैग का ओरिजिन कहाँ था,
Okay,
कहाँ
fine.
वो ग्रो करा जाता था.
Yes, very good. So the question says in Middle Ages, most Europeans knew where nutmeg was grown. So the question talks about that the Europeans, most of the Europeans knew that where the nutmeg was grown, means where was the origin of nutmeg. So you wrote, what
Yes,
was
ma'am.
your answer, Tanvi?
Ma'am, I wrote not given for it.
Okay, you wrote not given. Okay, now let's come to the passage. So in the
मैम वैसे
second
मिल तो
paragraph,
गया था मुझे,
हाँ जी.
मतलब मिल तो गया था, मिडिल एजेस भी मैच हो गया था, वो को ये चीज पता थी या नहीं पता थी उसके बारे में नहीं कहीं पे मिला, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई रोट इट नॉट गिवन.
Okay, so let me underline. If you can see from the second paragraph in the starting, they are mentioning about Middle Ages and nutmeg, right? So we'll start reading from here. So they are writing nutmeg was a highly prized and costly ingredient in European cuisine in the Middle Ages and was used as a
Yes.
flavoring and medicinal preservative agent. Throughout this period, the Arabs were the exclusive importers of the spice to Europe. So यहाँ से हमारे को थोड़ी सी clarity हो रही है. They are mentioning that only Arabs were the importers. Exclusive means only, right? So Arabs were the only importers. And next they are writing, they sold nutmeg for high prices to merchants based in Venice, but they never revealed the exact location of the source of this extremely valuable commodity. Means यहाँ से अब हमें पूरी clarity हो गई कि only Arabs knew about the location of this valuable commodity and they never revealed this location. Only Arabs knew about it.
Okay.
So they are writing here exclusive importers. यहाँ से clear हो गया that they were the only importers, means except Arabs, no one knew about this commodity. That where was it
उन्होंने,
originated?
हाँ, इनडायरेक्टली बता दिया कि यूरोपियंस को उस टाइम पे कोई ऐसा नहीं था, नॉलेज नहीं थी
Yes,
कि
they are
कहाँ से आ
only
रहा था.
talking about the Arabs, that
राइट.
they only knew, which means nobody else knew, right? So अगर हम अपने आंसर
यस
को अब
मैम.
चेक करते हैं जरा, let's come back to our question. So now the answers question says most Europeans knew where the nutmeg was grown. So what will be the answer now?
मैम अब इससे तो ये फॉल्स बन जाएगा.
Yes, very good. Now the answer will be false. That not Europeans, only Arabs knew about the origin of the nutmeg.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so
यस
clear
मैम. अब
class?
हो गया. यस मैम,
Yes, ma'am.
क्लियर.
Okay, that's very good. Now let's move forward.